WhatsApp recently introduced a new feature for its users, communities. While this feature has been talked about for a long time, many people are now wondering how is it different from groups which already existed on WhatsApp. Here is how they are different. WhatsApp groups bring different contacts or people under one roof to discuss topics and ideas or make plans. Now, 1024 participants can be added to a group instead of the earlier limit of 512. On the other hand, WhatsApp communities are collections of relevant groups. For example, different groups in a neighborhood can be clubbed under one community for easy communication and management. This way, you can have separate groups for focused discussions. Communities can be created with these simple steps. Update WhatsApp to the latest version. Open WhatsApp and tap on the Community tab at the top left of screen on Android or the bottom center on iOS. Select Start a Community. Type a name and description for the community. Create new groups or add existing ones. Finally, tap on the tick mark. You will also see a default group on screen, which is the announcement group. Admins can broadcast important messages to all community members here. Only community admins can send messages in the announcement group. Members can only read messages. So, have you started using communities yet? Tell us in the comments below. And for all things tech, keep watching Gadgets 360.